No, Brandy.
I have to make something. I have to put something Tristan red. He's looking at me. Say, look what he's saying. Oh my goodness.
Get it a squeal.
Say, Granny, do something. Well, go, go, baby. Go, go. Go, go, baby. Go, go. Go, go, baby. Courtney, go, go, go. Go, go, baby.
Get over there, Tracy. Get over there on the floor.
Oh, baby.
Brandy, let her rest.
Look, I don't know what wrong with her. Oh, God. Now when she sits around doing that.
Oh, God, she's got me. Poor little honey. Y'all stop it now.
Play with her.
Boopy boo boo yourself. Let me get her face when she's... Wait, let me get a good picture of her face when she's doing that. Tilt her this way. Mickey.
You want to get a good one, don't you? Just lay him crying at his picture, you.
Mama, get down there and love her. You don't have nobody to love her. Get over there, Tracy, so I can get you in the picture. When she grows up, she's going to say, why didn't my mama want a picture with me? Get over there.
Courtney, Darius. Why, Courtney? Darius. Why, Courtney?
Oh, I regret.